Hello everyone. A drug program typically takes 10 to 15 years to move from discovery to market. Recently, Exscientia, working with Sumitomo Pharma, demonstrated that early drug discovery timelines can be compressed to just about 12 months. Their AI designed candidate, DSP-1181, for obsessive compulsive disorder moved from target identification to clinical ready molecule in roughly a year, a process that typically takes several years. What these companies did was they used the AI agents in the drug discovery phase. Similarly, other companies such as IQVIA, Nvidia are working towards orchestrating entire clinical workflow using AI agent based systems. They want these agents to own entire clinical research workflow. So the transformation you are about to see is earlier we had AI systems answering queries, running analysis and producing summaries for reports when asked. But now AI agents will be coordinating protocol analysis, performing data review, data coding on its own, and preparing tasks continuously. AI agents will gradually take over workflows in clinical research. And this shift is projected to deliver about 35 to 40% productivity gains over the next few years. But what one must note is that these systems will operate in semi-autonomous modes, not an independent decision maker. Clinical research professionals who work with AI agents will be responsible for interpreting clinical risks, data quality risk, protocol deviation risk, and regulatory compliance risks, resolving conflicting signals across data sources, being responsible for outcomes that cannot be automated. And you can expect a similar shift across other life science domains, everywhere from medical coding to healthcare analytics. Employers will expect career aspirants to understand AI-enabled workflows, adapt quickly, and operate confidently in fast-moving environments. This is where traditional education and courses offered by most of the institutes in the market are falling short. At CliniLaunch, we offer AI-integrated, industry-aligned training across clinical research, medical coding, and healthcare management, built specifically for life science graduates entering the workforce. If you are unsure which career path fits you, join our free masterclass where our counselors break down roles, scope, AI impact, and how to position yourself for better opportunities. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching.
Visit us today, www.clinilaunchresearch.in.